Meaning of engagement.
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 Engagement. Engagement can refer to a variety of different contexts, but generally it refers to the level of interaction or involvement that someone has with something, whether it be a person, an activity, or a brand. For example, in regards to social media, engagement measures how often users interact with and respond to content posted by other users or brands. The result of high engagement is often increased interest, loyalty, and investment in whatever is being engaged with, leading to potentially greater success and growth for individuals or businesses.